Because I assure you, a lot of these shots are shots of opportunity. You know, it's like, you gotta get it now because maybe there's a person coming, or a car coming, or a bird coming, or the cloud, or the whatever it is. So you need to have it in your fingers, in your hands, how to do this smoothly without automating it. Partial orbit. Back and up to reveal the city. So practicing these shots and then going and getting them. If you get all of these shots in the same location, I guarantee you get reveals, ascents, descents, partial orbits. I assure you, you will have all the shots that you need to do to put your video together. And don't forget, not everything has to be from the air. I usually also bring sticks, you know, and take ground shots. I mean, just when we're flying drones, we think that's all we need, and it's like, you know, sometimes we need to get closer, and I either fly closer or have sticks. Do it from the medium, do it from closer. You can't fly here without a permit. This is in Iceland. There's a little way. Oh no, there's signs. They look fine. I had to do this after 6 o'clock. We did have authorization. Not only that, but my guy spoke to the rangers before each and every shoot. And they're like, yeah. No, I had a local guy. I had a local guy who is a photographer. Yeah. So no, I did it the right way. It was not cheap, but I did it the right way.
That one over the water, where were you filming from?
This one?
Yeah.
About
Hand catching is
hand catching a Mavic 3. Let me tell you, it is fun. Oh, no. At first, it was like putting a glove on because I don't want to get a finger chopped off. But I can't fly it with the drone, and the boat is moving, and it's windy, and you think you're going to lose it, and sometimes you do. I haven't yet, but my partner Mike did. It was like right into the drink. Phantom Force, you know. You can. You know they sell the handles for the Mavics? Yes, they do. And the Phantoms already have those built-in nice handles at the bottom, you know. So hand catching a Phantom easy, but this wasn't a Phantom. So I'm very old. I can hardly see, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna put a glove on, and I might get a bruise, but I'll still have a finger. You know? You guys know the story of Enrique Iglesias? I mean, anybody not know that? Right? So this was a long time ago, but it happened. So he's singing, and he has a concert, you know, thousands of people, blah, 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 and he has a drone and getting shots. So the drone comes on stage, and he's like grabbing the building, the gimbal, and moving it like that. And one of those, he goes like this, whoop, 3 fingers off. On stage. It was an Inspire. Probably with carbon fiber propellers. I don't use those, they scare the hell out of me. They're like rotating scalpels. I mean, seriously. 3 fingers off. Right? So he does what any sane person would do. Grab the fingers, put them on ice, wrapped his hand with a towel or whatever, and continued the concert. Because that's what any sane person would do. And at the end of the concert, grabs his fingers from his little cup with ice, goes to the hospital, and they reattach.